Hello, my name is Roger Daviston. Thanks for joining in today. Today I want to talk to you about how to accept the differences in each other. And really, as a leader, we need to be able to accept our own weaknesses and limitations while we also accept the limitations and weaknesses of others. So I want to talk to you today about that. Okay, so an assertiveness mindset is a mindset that respects the limitations of other people. It also respects your own limitations. It's a place where you're able to be vulnerable and sort of grasp, hey, these are the things that I'm good at, these are the things that I'm not good at, and you're okay with that because you understand that you're human, and we all are. So some of us have gifts and talents in certain areas, and some of us have gifts and talents in other areas. But as a team, everybody on the team is extremely valuable, but everybody on the team is unique. And so one team member may sort of rub another team member the wrong way because they're different. But you have to really allow for those kind of things, because if everybody's the same, the boat kind of runs like this in the water. So you have differences. Some people are really highly analytical and detailed, and some people are just big picture guys. So you got to have both, or you get yourself in trouble. But accepting the limitations of yourself and also accepting the limitations of others is a highly assertive mindset. And I want to tell you about Tony. It's okay to be Tony. Back in the 1960s, the Green Bay Packers played the Dallas Cowboys, and Green Bay had a very famous coach named Vince Lombardi, and Vince Lombardi was a very good leader. And at the end of the game, with a couple of seconds left, if Green Bay scores the touchdown, they win the game, win the Super Bowl. And so they get down there and they call a timeout, and they have just a few seconds left. So the team gathers along the sideline around Coach Lombardi, and they all have this team meeting, and they decide which play to run. So after they decided which play to run, Coach Lombardi had a really important question as a leader. Can everybody do this? Can everybody run their assignment? Meaning, can everybody block the person they're supposed to block? If so, the play will work and we can win the game. And Tony stepped up and said, Coach, I can't block the defensive end on that play. We've run that play twice today, and I haven't been able to block him, and I can't block him. So here's where the rubber meets the road. What are you going to do as a leader? Tony's very valuable to the team. Tony we probably wouldn't be at this game without Tony. So you got a couple of choices. You can yank Tony out of the game. You can shame Tony and say, you need to get quicker, you need to get faster. You could shame him. You could do all those things. Or you can pick another play. So what do you think Coach Lombardi did? They picked another play. And then the Coach Lombardi asked, okay, can everybody do their assignment on this play? And everybody said yes. And they ran the play, scored the touchdown, and won the game. Here's what I want you to understand as a leader. Coach Lombardi created a safe place in that culture where people could be vulnerable. If you don't create a safe place where people can be vulnerable, they're going to hide their weaknesses and the team's going to mess up, okay? So if Coach Lombardi had been an aggressive leader in the culture, Tony probably would have been quiet, not said anything, wouldn't have been able to block the guy, and they would have lost the game. So think about this. Is your culture a place where people can be vulnerable and still be valued? Some places aren't, but that's where you have unity of purpose in a team that really functions at a high level. Hey, I hope this video helped you today. If there's something I can do to help you with leadership, assertiveness, becoming more, reach out to me. I'd love to connect with you and help your people grow personally. Hey, thank you, and God bless.